Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to install third-party apps from anywhere in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is go to the Windows Start menu and click on the settings icon. Next, we will click on the apps option. In the apps settings, we will scroll down to the app installation section. On the app installation section, we will click on the drop-down menu next to the Where Apps Can Be Installed From option. We will then select Anywhere option, and this will allow us to install apps from any source, including the Microsoft Store, websites, and external drive. And that's it! We have successfully changed the default app installation location to anywhere. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.